Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all of you here in online study of mathematics. In this video we are going to study face value and place value of the given number. Yes, it has been observed so many times that students of class 5 and 6 are confused. Most of them are confused. Sir, what is the face value and what is the place value? What they did, they mix up their values. In place of place value, they used to write their face value, and in place of face value, they used to write their place value. Because they all, not all of them, but most of them were getting confused. So in this video, we will study face value and place value, and uh, if you are watching this video sincerely and carefully, then it may possible that you will not forget, you will not forget this concept throughout your life. Yes, but before I will start your topic, you have to give me few answers. You have to give answers of few questions. Yes. Hello everyone. uh, Now I am going to ask a question from all of you. What is in my hand? Yes, this is a duster. Yes, which is used to rub the blackboard work or whiteboard work. So now my question is from all of you, what is the face value of this duster? What is the face value? Yes, the face value of this duster is face value, the name by which you recognize any object or any product that is known as the face value of that product. I am repeating my words. जिस नाम के द्वारा आप किसी चीज या किसी वस्तु को पहचानते हो, वही उस वस्तु या उस चीज की फेस वैल्यू होती है। जैसे ही मैंने ये डस्टर आपको दिखाकर आपसे पूछा कि डू यू नो व्हाट इज दिस, यू ऑल आर रिप्लाइंग, सर दिस इज अ डस्टर विच इज यूज्ड टू रब बोर्ड वर्क. Yes, so this is the face value. By the name you which recognize anything or any object, that is known as its face value. Now, what is in my hand? Yes, it is a marker which is used to write words on whiteboard. Yes, so how do you recognize that this is a marker? Yeah, obviously all knows that it is a marker. So this is the face value of marker. Now I have written face value here and a number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and now you have to give reply the face value of 1, the face value of 2, the face value of 3, and so on, the face value of 9. Similarly, face value means the name by which recognize anything that is known as the face value of that number. So here in this case, the face value of 1. आपको कैसे पता ये 1 है? Obviously ये 1 है. It is a natural number. It is the first number which we have introduced in the set of natural numbers. So the face value of 1 is 1, because 1 is known as 1. 1 कैसे जाना जाता है? 1 को 1 से ही पहचाना जाता है. The face value of 2. Face value of 2 will be 2. Yes, the face value of 3. Face value of 3 will be 3. And similarly, keep doing like this. You can find the face value of all the remaining numbers, and the face value of 9 will be 9. One more method is there so that you can understand the face value. Have you ever see yourself in mirror? Yes, आपने अपने आप को कभी ना कभी मिरर में देखा ही होगा. When you observe yourself in mirror, what you see in mirror? You see your image. आपको अपनी इमेज दिखाई देती है. Okay, and your face. Your image includes your face also. So that is the your face which you was watching or which you was observing in the mirror. So if I say you tell me the mirror image of 1, then that will be 1. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि यू आर टेकिंग अ 1 ऑन योर हैंड और आप उसको मिरर के आगे लेकर जाएं और मिरर में आपको 2 दिखाई दे, ऐसा नहीं होगा। आपके हैंड में एक नंबर मैंने दिया है या मैंने आपको कहा है ये डस्टर कि सी द मिरर इमेज ऑफ दैट डस्टर इन मिरर, कि इस डस्टर की मिरर इमेज मिरर में जाकर देखिए। तो जब आप सपोज़ करो बीच में एक मिरर है और यहाँ मैं डस्टर को देखना चाह रहा हूँ, तो क्या डस्टर की इमेज एक पेन बन सकती है? नहीं। या एक पेन की इमेज एक डस्टर बन सकती है? नहीं, कभी नहीं बनेगी। अगर मेरे पास एक पेन है और मैं पेन की इमेज देखना चाहता हूँ तो मिरर में भी मुझे वो पेन की इमेज सेम टू सेम दिखाई देगी। ओके, सो therefore the face value of 1 will be 1, face value of 2 will be 2, face value of 3 will be 3. If I ask you to find the face value of 5, so face value of 5 will be 5, the face value of 7 will be 7, and similarly the face value of 9 will be 9. Now we will study how to calculate or how to find the place value of the given number. But before I start my main topic, you have to give some answers. Yes, this is a marker which you are watching in my hand. So now you have to reply approximately what will be the cost of this marker. इस पेन की approximately cost कितनी होगी? Yes, approx 10 rupees और approx rupees 15 maximum. Okay, 10 to 15 rupees. So what is that 10 rupees or that 15 rupees? That is the price value of this marker. 10 rupees 10 or rupees 15 is the price value of this marker. You are watching a duster in my hand. What is the approximately cost of this duster? Approx rupees 15 or rupees 20 maximum. So what is this 15 rupees or 20 rupees? 15 or 20 rupees is the price value of this duster. Now try to understand price value is same as the place value. Yes, now try to connect the price value of this marker as the place value of any digit of the given number. What we have to find? We have to find place value. We will find the value later on. First of all, we have to find the places. So we have written the places according to Indian number system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Right? So we have written place. And now we will write the given number according to Indian place value chart. First we will write ones digit. Ones digit is 9. So 9 will be written under ones place. Second digit is 8. 8 is a tens digit. So tens digit will be written under tens place. So 8 will be written here. Similarly, 7 is a hundred digit and 100 digit will be written here under 100 place. And so on. Doing this, we have placed all the values, all the numbers, and these numbers are itself their face value. Now you need to apply a simple formula here. To find the place value of any number, we will multiply the face value of that number and place value of that number. Not place value, only place. Okay, like 9 is written at ones place and the face value of 9 is 9. So 9 will multiply by ones. Ones mean 1. So place value of 9 will be equal to face value of 9, and face value of 9 is 9. By this method, multiply place, and the place of 9 is ones. So we will write here 1. 9 multiply 1 will be equal to 9. This is the required place value of 9. This is very simple topic, so no need to confuse in this topic. Can you find the place value of 8 now? Yes, the place value of 8 will be equal to face value of 8. You know face value of 8 will be 8, and 8 will multiply by place, and the place of 8 is tens. Tens means 10, so 8 multiplied by 10 will be equal to 80. Similarly, place value of 7 will be equal to face value of 7 multiply place of 7. Place of 7 is 100, so 7 will multiply by 100. Face value will multiply by 100, it will be 700. So similarly, place value of 6 will be equal to 6 multiplied by 1000, it will be equal to 6000. And place value of 1, place value of 1 is here, face value of 1 multiply place of 1, place of 1 is 10 crores, so we have to write 10 crores. 10 crores. Now count. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. And when it will be multiplied, it will remain same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can recheck it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is your required place value of the digit 1. By doing this, you can find the place value and face value of any number easily. As we have discussed Indian number system in our previous videos, and here also we have calculated place value and face value of the given number according to Indian place value system. Now I am going to discuss one more important topic with you all, so keep watching this video until its end. Now we are going to calculate, or we are going to find one more solution that is related to Indian place value system, and that is inserting commas. Yes, inserting commas according to Indian number system. Yes, according to Indian number system. So before going to know how can we insert comma, we need to revise our Indian number system. We know, here you can also watch. So we will write here ones, tens and hundreds. This is known as your ones place. 1000 and 10,000. This is known as your thousands place. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. This is your known as your lakhs place period, or lakhs place, and then crores. Crore and 10 crore. Okay. Now what you observe here, we have divided ones place into 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. We have divided thousands into 2 parts, thousands and 10,000. We have divided lakh into 2 parts, lakh and 10 lakh. We have divided crore into 2 parts, crores and 10 crore. So what you observe here in this table, 3, 2, 2, 2. Yes, this is the method. According to this method, we will place commas within a number. Suppose I am giving you a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I am telling you to insert comma in this number according to Indian number system. Then we will place first comma after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, First comma will be written here, will be placed here. Second comma will be placed after 2 digits, 1 and 2 here. After 5 we will place a comma. Then after 2 digits, 4, 3, these are the 2 digits, we will place our comma here. And then after 2 digits, and we don't have any digit after 2 digits, so we will place our first comma after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, then after 2 digits, then after 2 digits, and we will keep doing this work up to wherever we want to write or we want to insert commas. Suppose I am giving you one more number, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you have to insert comma according to Indian number system. What you will do? First comma will be inserted after 3 digits. First comma will be here. Then after 2 digits. Then you will insert a comma here. Then you don't have any digit. You have only 4. And we need to put our comma after 2 digits. But here in this case we don't have any digit. We have only 1, 4. So we will not place more commas in this part. So in this example, we can put only 2, or we can insert only 2 commas. First comma after 3 digits and then second comma after 2 digits. I hope you all can understand face value, place value, and how to insert comma according to Indian number system. So if you have seen my all the 3 videos, you will be able to answer any question related to Indian number system. Yes, our topic is completed here, and we will learn how can we write. Yes, we will learn how can we write the number name of the numerals. So keep watching my next videos. Till then, bye bye.